Hi, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Fintechlab Design Summit 2019. I'm very happy to see so many guests and so many speakers today. When it comes to design, there is a saying I very much like, and it says that people ignore design that ignores people. And I think it's more true than ever in the banking industry where we work. Because if I think back the last decade or two, I think traditional banks first wanted to do something good, something online, something digital. And sometimes they also wanted to do something that is useful for the customers, that brings a bit more convenience or value add. But I think it's very clear that this way of thinking is not enough anymore. That's why we decided to build up a design competence center at MKB Group at Fintechlab. And now it basically led us to a much bigger picture, and now we are working on a whole customer experience strategy for the bank. I truly believe that this is our employees or people that can change the industry and that can change the way we work. And that's why we decided to have this design competence center in-house, because we really wanted to empower all of our employees with this toolkit. Because for me and for us, design is not about IT, it's not about product development, it's not about services. It's really about the way we work every single day, the way our employees work together, the way we collaborate with startups, with our partners, with our suppliers. And most importantly, this is the way we work together and the way we collaborate with our customers. That's why we also decided to invite them for the whole development processes. We invite them to raise their voices, to take part in interviews, and to test our products. And I know that this way of thinking and this way of rethinking our everyday work is not something that can be changed from one day to another, that can be changed overnight. This will be a long process. We need to work very hard every single day in order to achieve better results. But I think it's also clear that if you have the right toolkit and if you have the right focus, you can really achieve results quickly and very fast. Because we also know that if we ignore our customers, if the way we service them ignore their needs, their everyday lifestyle, their dreams, they will also ignore us. And today this summit is all about this way of thinking. It's about design, it's about how we collaborate. And having a look at the program, I think it's very impressive. So I hope you will enjoy it, and I wish you have fun. Thank you.